Hi everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So today's project, I'll be using the Rabbit Cafe stamp set from Penguin Palace, as well as the coordinating Penguin Perfect cuts that go along with this stamp set. So just to make things a little bit quicker, I already cut and colored the images. So I have the cute little store, the lamppost. I stamped and cut several of the planters, and then the cute little bunnies, the girl, the coffee cup right there, the cupcake, the table with the umbrella, as well as the chair. So those are the images. And then today's card, instead of an A2 card, I'm making a mini slimline card, and this is 3.5 by 6 inches. So it is basically 7 by 6 inches. That's the dimensions. And then I went ahead and just cut some pattern paper here, cut it to size to 3.5 by 6. And I'm just going to go ahead and adhere that to the card here, and I just lay it standing up, and there's the base. And then I also have a piece of this scalloped paper that I'm going to center, and this is where I'm going to be putting the scene, little cafe scene there. So I'm going to probably lay it down here. Before I put it down, this is one of the sentiments, Brew-tiful day, and I'll be placing that at the top. So I think I'm going to lay this at the bottom like so, and then I'm just going to trim off the excess that is sticking out, because I really like the scallop trim on this die cut here. So that is what the base looks like. Sorry about the glare. Okay, and then the sentiment is going to go on top like so, right in the center. Okay, and then the top part there, I'm going to adhere one of these. Let me just get closer. One of these planters. I'm just using some liquid glue, and then on the other end I'll be using there, the cute little coffee cup. I just put it at an angle. Okay, so my scene is going to start with the lamppost like that, and then the building here, like so. And I do want to put a planter right there, and then this girl is going to go at the end. The table, I want to make sure it's all spaced out evenly so that it's not too crowded. Okay, I think that's good. So let me put the cute little bunny server here. And he's going to be holding the cute little cupcake. And I love how this stamp set has all the cute elements that you could create any scene that you want. He could be holding the cupcake, the coffee. There's also another type of drink in the set. So let me just place that there. Okay, and then here's the chair. Cute little bunny holding her little drink. Like that. And then I think let me put the cute girl here. Like that. And then I want to put a planter on each side just to fill up the spaces and put it this one. I want to see if I could just place it a little bit behind her. Okay, I love how easy this was. I mean, there was a lot of images to color, but I love how they all coordinate well with each other. So that is the card. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video for you guys today, and I'll see you soon. I'll put all the links in the description box below, and there you go. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.